If you're trying to start trading but don't know where to begin, don't start with hype. Start with structure. Some of y'all are not asking for advanced strategies. You're asking for a starting point. I'm starting with structure, and not just for trading, for the whole operation. This is Program Alpha, Day 1. When I put out that first video, I wasn't sure anybody was listening. People answered. One viewer wrote, "I need help," all the way from the beginning. Another one asked if I had advice for somebody just getting started, and that told me something important. A lot of people are not stuck because they are lazy. They are stuck because nobody gave them a clean first step. So today, I'm not giving you a motivational speech. I'm giving you the starting structure. Before you place a trade, before you download 10 indicators, before you start copying somebody else's setup, you need to know what game you're actually playing. Trading is not guessing. Trading is not vibes. Trading is not jumping in because a candle looks good. Trading is a process. And if you don't have a process, the market will expose you. The first thing I want you to understand is this. You are not trying to get rich on day one. You are trying to survive long enough to learn. That means your first job is not profit. Your first job is structure. You need a market. You need a schedule. You need rules. You need a way to review what you did. And you need to stop treating every trade like it has to change your life. For me, the market is gold futures. That doesn't mean gold has to be your market. It means I picked one lane. Because when you're new, jumping from stocks to crypto to options to forex to futures, every other day is how you stay confused. Pick a lane, study it, watch how it moves, learn its rhythm, then you need a schedule. I don't trade every day. I trade on the days that fit my life. Tuesday and Thursday are my protected trading days. That's not random. That's structure. If you have a job, a family, medical stuff, or limited time, you cannot build your trading plan around fantasy. You have to build it around your real life. Then you need rules, simple rules. What time do you look at the chart? What market are you watching? What setup are you waiting for? Where are you wrong? How much are you willing to lose? And what makes you stay out? That last one matters because sometimes the best trade is no trade. Most beginners don't lose because they missed one magic setup. They lose because they take every setup. They get impatient. They revenge trade. They move stops. They size up when they should be slowing down, and then they blame the market. But the truth is, they never had a plan. Program Alpha is me building that plan in public, not as a guru, not as somebody pretending to have everything figured out. As a builder, I'm taking the same way I understand construction and applying it to trading. You don't pour concrete before you mark the site. You don't frame walls before the foundation is right. And you don't start trading real money before you know what your process is. So day one is simple. We are not chasing money. We are building the foundation. The foundation is this: one market, one schedule, one setup to study, one risk rule, one review process. That's it. Boring? Good. Boring is where discipline lives. Hype gets attention, structure gets results. And I would rather build slow and solid than rush into something I don't understand. So if you're starting from the beginning, start here. Pick your market, pick your trading window, write down your rules, keep your size small, track every decision, and do not confuse activity with progress. The goal is not to look like a trader. The goal is to become one. That's what Program Alpha is. A public build, a trading education path, a real-time record of what I'm learning, what I'm testing, what breaks, and what actually helps. If you're new, you're not behind. You're at the foundation stage, and foundation work does not look exciting, but everything strong is built there. So this is day one. Start with structure, not hype. In the next video, we're going deeper into the actual chart reading process, how I look at gold futures before the market opens, what levels matter, and how I start building a trade idea without guessing. If this is where you are, stay close. Subscribe, follow the series, and build it with me from the beginning. Let's go get 'em.